welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about one of my favorite devices I own. It's this Letlar 3-in-1 wireless charging stand. Yeah, 3-in-1. Charge phones, charges your earbuds, charges your Apple Watch, all at the same time. And this phone charger supports fast wireless charging for devices that are equipped with fast wireless charging capabilities. And they include the Quick Charge 3.0 charger and the cord that you need to get fast wireless charging and power this device. They include that all in the box. Everything you need is in the box, and it's a very capable device. So let's look at all the cool features. First of all, you've got this phone charger. It will charge any key wireless charging device, so iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, Android phones. Key wireless charging is the default. That is the standard, and so pretty much every wireless charging phone has that, and this will charge any of them. Now, if that phone is equipped with fast wireless charging capabilities, as most of the Samsung Galaxy phones are, then you'll get fast wireless charging from this device. What's cool is you can use it propped up like a stand like that, and it has this nice rubberized foot so that your phone stays on there good. But if you want to, you can also lay it flat and put your phone on it like that. And of course, also for travel, folds up really good. But before we talk about that, let's look at these other features. Look at that. Right here you have this nice, cool little area, and that is to charge earbuds. Again, it's a standard standard wireless charging, and it'll work with the Apple earbuds as well as Samsung Galaxy buds. Either one of those you can place there and you get those charged. Then, look at this guy. You've got a place to put your Apple Watch. Now, watches don't use key standard. They have each watch company has its own standard, so they could only make this capable of charging one watch. So of course, they went with the one that's the most popular, which is the Apple Watch. So this will not charge a Samsung Galaxy Watch, but it will charge your Apple Watch, and you can have it propped up like that to put the watch on it that way, or you can lay it flat and lay the watch on it flat. Either way, which is really super cool. Because, you know, if you're traveling, maybe you want your watch propped up and want your watch facing you so that you can see the time that way, and you could do that. Or if you don't, then you could have it flat. Maybe you'd rather have your phone facing you. You could have it that way. On the back here, you also see that it does use the Type-C cord for charging, but again, they include that cord and the Quick Charge 3.0 charger in the box. Great thing about that is if you have like a Samsung Galaxy phone and maybe you need to get a charge as fast as you can, then instead of wireless charging, you could just plug that out, plug it directly into your phone, and get super fast wired charging. So that's an option as well with everything they include in the box. But really, of course, the star, what makes this so awesome is that you get this 3-in-1 charging, and the fact that it folds up. That means it's easy to travel. So if you are traveling somewhere, you can just take this with you. You can, with this one device, you charge your phone, you charge your earbuds, you charge your Apple Watch. Just one device. So really capable device. Works great. As good as any wireless charger I've ever reviewed or used. And on top of that, has the wireless earbuds charging and the Apple Watch charging. It's just such a simple device, but it's so well made and works so well. The fact that you can charge all those things, the fact that you can fold it up, and you could even charge your earbuds on here as well, because again, key wireless standard. So anything that is chargeable with key wireless charging, you could have this flat and just lay it on top of there if you want to do that, and then fold it up if you want to use it as a stand and use these other charging. And you can do all three things at the same time, including getting the fast wireless charging. Which is really awesome. Just a really excellent device. Again, it's by a company called Letlar. And if you're looking for a wireless charger, get this. Even if all you need right now is a wireless charger for your phone, if you get this, because they include the Quick Charge 3.0 charger in the box, you'll just have these for the future in case you do get earbuds and you want to be able to charge them, or in case you do get an Apple Watch. I would say it's hard to go wrong with this awesome device by Letlar. Anyway, it is available on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon, so you can click that link, jump over there, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos, or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.